Hi guys, ever wondered how can I create an index for my Word document with lots of titles in it? Is there any way where I can create an automatic table that shows me the page number of the relevant title? Yes, in this video, I'm going to very quickly cover that particular topic for you. Let's see. So for this to happen, I would need some text. So what I'm doing is I'm asking Word to generate me a random 100 paragraphs for my content. So I'll just press enter, and yes, Word has actually generated me 100 paragraphs, which are again unfortunately repetitive, but still we have some content to go ahead with, right? So first thing that I would like to do is I would want to separate my titles and keep them as a separate line. And once I'm doing this, what I need to do is I need to tell Microsoft Word that, buddy, this is my title. So how do I do that? I just select the title and click on this heading 1 option that is there on the top of the page. See, you can see here heading 1. So I'll be selecting this particular option to tell Microsoft Word that this particular part is the title of that particular chapter. So I'll be clicking on this, and you can see it is now applying some formatting style, and the same needs to be done for the rest of the titles as well. So let me just select this and mark it as themes and titles. Then similarly, let's go reading is my next title, and let's say to make your document look professionally produced, that's my next title. Okay. So once you are done with marking all your titles, the next thing that you would want to do is ask Microsoft Word to create a separate page with index for it, or to create an index for your particular content. So for that to happen, what you can do is you need to first go to the starting of your particular content. So for that you can press Ctrl plus Home, Ctrl plus Home, and you can see your pointer has been placed at the starting of your document. Now go to references at the top of the menus. So you can see here reference menu, click on that, and the first option which shows table of contents, and you can see the description for the table of contents here. It says provide an overview of the document by adding a table of contents. So I'll click on this, and you can choose either table 1 or table 2 for automatic, or if you want to manually prepare, you can choose manual table. But who wants to prepare a manual table, right? I want an automatic table. So I can either choose table 1, which puts the content as the heading, or I can choose table 2, which says table of contents. So if you want contents, go for table 1. If you want table of contents, go for table 2. So I'll click on table 2, and you can see now Word has actually prepared an index file for me, with the page numbers mentioned on the right side corner, right? See, now the next problem is that I don't want the index and the content to be on the same page. Can I move this to the next page? Yes, you can press Ctrl Enter, and it will go to the next page. And let me do the same thing for the remaining topics as well. And yes, you can see every chapter I'm moving on to the next topic, next page. Okay, so I have different titles on different pages now. So if I go back to my index, we can see that the page numbers are not properly updated. So let me just add page numbers very quickly for the reference purpose. So, okay, you can see now that my topic to make your document look professionally produced is on page number 5, right? It's on page 5. But if I go to my index, it is showing that to make your document look professionally is on second page. This is because the table of index is not updated with the page numbers. Sir, what shall I do then? Just click on this table, anywhere on this table, and you can see a field called update table that is visible here. So once you click on this update table, you can choose the option update page numbers only. See, there is an option called update page numbers only, and you can select OK. And now if you see, the page numbers are updated with the new references. This is a very interesting concept, right? Now, the next topic is, sir, what if I add more titles or more subtitles to this particular text? Let's say in this particular page, okay, within themes and styles, I want save time in Word. This is my subtitle within that particular topic. So what I can do is I can choose heading 2 instead of heading 1. Okay, I'll choose heading 2 instead of heading 1 as my second title for this particular one. Similarly, let's say themes and styles also help. So this is my subtitle 2. Let's say this is my heading 2. So I'm keeping it as heading 2. And now if I go back to my index, the index would not be updated with the subtitles, but I can click here, click on update table. And now what I'll do is I'll not just ask the Word to update my page numbers, but I want it to update entire table. Means any new titles are added, any new headings are added, or if the headings are changed, it will update the entire table. So let me just press OK now, and you can see that now within themes and styles we have save time in Word as the subheading, and we have themes and styles also help as the second subheading. Right guys? Now the next advantage of this particular index. Sir, can't I just type these things and put the page numbers? Yes, you can manually do that, but that would be cumbersome. And this table of content actually acts as a hyperlink as well. Now, for those of you who don't know what a hyperlink is, you can directly click any of these titles by pressing the control key and clicking on it. Word will automatically navigate you to that particular topic. Let's say I want to go to this reading topic. So I can press my control key and click on this reading, and Word will automatically take me to that particular place. Okay. Now, another advantage of this is if I save this document as a PDF file, let's say I'm going to my desktop and save it as a PDF file. Okay. Now, even the PDF file also has the hyperlinks saved. So if you see, this is the PDF file, and I can click on this, let's say, to make your document look professionally produced. If I click on this, see, even the PDF navigation also absolutely works perfectly. Right guys? So this is how we prepare an index with automatic hyperlinking in MS Word, and we can just right click and update the table at any point. Even after making changes, this table will be automatically updated. So I hope this video was really helpful for you. If you do like our content, make sure you hit the like button for this video, and also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any topic in your mind which you want us to explain, do let us know in the comment section. Thank you guys.